Yeah, can you smile? Yeah. Yeah, that's both of us. Yeah, you cute. Guys, there's some things as a parent that I'm learning. I mean, like, I was normal without a kid, but now I'm like, everything that she does is just like, wow. She's like playing with the play gym. I've been putting her with the play gym since she was like 2 months or 1.5, just to get her familiar with it. And she used to just like not like it at all. And now she's just like, she's spending more than 5 minutes under her. She used to spend like 1 second and be like, okay, this thing's weird. But now she's like enjoying herself. And it's kind of like enjoyable because I want her to enjoy herself. But it's kind of like sad because I'm like, my girl's growing. And that's what she's supposed to do. She's supposed to grow. Hi, baby. Look. And now she's getting frustrated. Why are you frustrated? She's like, this is a fox. Yeah. Ah, yeah. And she's doing the thing where she wants everything to go in her mouth. Guys, it's very, it's very exciting being a mother. It's also, yeah, it's very, very, very hard also to watch them grow. Like this, like she knows how to wake me up in the morning, guys, because we sleep together. So when I turn, she like kicks me in the back and she starts like crying, but not crying, fake crying. So I know that she wants me to get up. And she's been doing that since she was like 2 months. I have a special loving baby, and I love it. Are you trying to grab it? Are you trying to grab it, baby? You trying to grab it, mama? Aww. Be an alien with y'all guys. What's up? What's happening, my kings and queens, my beautiful aliens out there? Y'all, I am getting my hair freaking bleached today and dyed all types of beautiful color by Austin.
Hell yeah.
Austin
We about to
Scissorhands.
go off.
Yeah. And let's see how it turns out, guys, because if you like started following me from like the first video, I'm gonna go to like a little memory thing right now since it's about to be New Year's. I might as well just do it. If you follow me like from when I first started my YouTube page, you guys would know that I like to change up like every once a month, I would say. And I'm finally getting my hair dyed, you know, after like a year of not having it dyed. So I'm excited. And yeah, I'm just happy to get back into just trying new things all the time now. And with my daughter, obviously, she's going to get to try some new things with me. But I'm just happy to be doing something I like, which is getting my hair dyed again. And possibly getting a tattoo or pierced.
Definitely tattoo.
It's just something about tattoos. Just having art in your body, you just get to stare at it all the time. It's just satisfying, I would say.
No regrets.
No regrets. I mean, you can go through the pain of getting it removed, but why would you put yourself through that?
I mean, I don't know if you got like a...
So we're back, y'all, with the second do-over.
Process.
Yeah, with the second process. And let me tell y'all, It's a long process, but when you got a baby and you got people cooking, people running to the store, you know.
Stomach's hungry. You know?
Yeah, people hungry. Austin had to eat.
Had to.
Yeah, turn up a little bit too.
Yeah. That too, I guess.
Yeah. And yo, when I say Austin, one of the what shall I say? What should be the freaking thumbnail? Getting my hair done by one of the most famous.
Justin hit me up.
It's by the new Andy Warhol.
Okay, what? I got you. I'm gonna put his social media here too, guys, and I'll show you his artwork. He was, if you watch my baby first art show, you know that was him.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, did you see my vlog?
No, I gotta go watch that now.
Damn.
I didn't even know that existed. Nobody sent me any links. What?
I got you. I posted your art and stuff in
Oh,
there.
I love that.
Yeah.
I reposted it. Let's go.
Oh, word. Alright. But now you get your own personal vlog.
Yo, Suze, you know where the remote to it? Oh, it's right there. Dominic, you see that remote to the light?
So guys, let's see how it all turns out because I'm excited. I haven't got my hair dyed in a while, like I said, and I'm eating. Wow. Bae cooked. Austin doing her hair. It's awesome. This year, coming up, 2022 is my year. I'm just gonna take this time and let it out. 2022 is my year. 2022 is everybody's year, bro.
I think that's right.
I might have
Right,
to
babe?
move this to my fucking kitchen in a minute after I think I got it all.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Yeah, babe, that's a fact.
2022 is my year.
2022 is everyone's year.
Yep, it's everyone's year. If you're not making
Except
your
for
back,
you.
damn. Yeah, you,
if
Kayla,
if
you
you
are.
out there, you thinking it's not your year, just sit down. It's not.
Yeah, it's not. Your year.
It's our year.
It's our year.
Yeah,
But if you out there and you think it's your year, it probably is, motherfucker.
if you don't make a
feel
bag
me?
in 2022, then I don't know what you were doing. You were
It
sleeping.
ain't even the year of bags. It's the year
Yeah.
of 2 bags. 22.
You
bro.
were sleeping, dude. Wake the fuck up.
I made a bag in 2021. I'm trying to make 2 bags in 2022. You feel me?
Yeah, I'm trying to make all them bags. I don't care how many I make. I'm making all them bags.
Happy New Year. Buy a Birkin.
Buy a Birkin. I swear to y'all, I'm gonna own a Birkin in 3 years. I'm giving myself 3 years because
Did you guys park at the fire hydrant?
I don't know. I have to spoil my daughter.
No, I parked perfectly legal for you this time. It's a little further down the road, though.
Yo, look at this. He really finessing my hair, guys. I really like, it's New Year. It's New Year, new me, new money, new bag, new place, new love life. I sound like I'm breaking up with new beginnings, Austin. New beginnings.
No beginnings.
New beginnings. Yeah. Put that shit in there. Put that fucking shit in there. Yo, we'll have to see what color it turns out. It might be green. It might not be green.
It's gonna be green, yellow, and gray.
Damn.
This shit looks crazy. It looks
You
dope.
can't tell them. You just told them.
Bro.
It's okay. It's about to look fire, though. They already knew. If you dye your hair, you already know what's
They
going
can
on.
see what's happening.
Yeah, like,
Look.
if they dye their hair, they know.
It's
Great.
gray as fuck.
Yeah.
It's gray as fuck, boy.
Yeah.
Gray as fuck.
Hi guys, this is how my hair came out, and today's baby's first time at the beach. Can you believe it? We brought the baby to the beach for the first time. Are you liking it, Lolly? You like the beach? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Daddy found some. Say hi to the alien squad. Gang, gang, gang.
What's good?
You okay, Lolly? Yeah, we made it to the beach, guys. Oh, I love the beach. especially since it's a nice time right now. It's not too cold, the sun's out, and she's all layered up. Oh. We gave her a nice view of the sun and the beach. Happy New Year for everybody that's watching this right now. Happy New Year's. I know we're like, it's 3 days past or 4 days. I just wanted to say Happy New Year's, and I hope you guys are starting your New Year right and your New Year resolution, because I have some good New Year resolution and I have some good plans ahead. So I hope you guys started your New Year right and started on your New Year resolution. And I hope this year is everybody's year, honestly. Everybody gets to do everything they said they would and look back into like 2 or 3 months from now or at the end of this year and be like, yeah, I did everything that I needed to. So good luck, everybody, and keep up with your New Year resolution, because I know I've started my New Year's resolution and I feel good so far about them. Baby, you like the view? I hope you like, guys. I'm gonna show you the view here, and it's ridiculous. I love it. It's amazing. It's like every time you wake up and you stare at the water, it's like, this is the view I want. And I love a water view. It's just the way it makes you feel in the morning, right, babe? It's a good way to start the day. It's like you meditate, you look at it, and you're just like full. You're full with love. You're filled with gratitude. And you're just smelling nature, the beach. That water travels. Well, the things that travel in the water. Is that somebody swimming? You see it? That looks like somebody swimming in the water, guys. Yep, that's somebody swimming. Wow.
Might be dolphins out there.
She acting like she's hungry. You ain't hungry. I just fed you before you got in here. I fed her in the car before we stepped in the beach. She's like, I love my food. Say hi to the peeps. back to the alien.
Oh,
That's all you're gonna say. Why you got tin in your eye?
nah, it's just too much fun.
In a gentle locomotion. Hey, Mr. Fish, with your daily scaly squall, I wish you would greet us with this grimace and growl.
Do it again.
Soyez intelligent, soyez attentif, soyez suivant vos cadres. Depuis 2022, ou pas traverser à quoi? Gros bref fait parler de lui. Dans le monde entier. Oui. Dérouté, intensité soleil. Le va monter bro. Si tu es thématisé, bon, la mer doit monter bro. La mer bref fait parler de lui. Je me garantis. Monsieur vous l'a parlé. Oui.
I died down to you beautiful.
Too much love. It's really funny.